My name is Whitney, Vice President and co-owner of Zibio. We are a custom exhibit house located in Oxnard, California. We have been working with our partner Fusion Imaging in Salt Lake City, Utah on a potential solution using a B-matrix aluminum frame system that could be a solution for the hospital overflow. Just this morning I was watching the news with President Trump talking with FEMA about allowing local sourcing for materials and supplies. This would be a solution that would connect with the exhibit industry nationwide. We have a zippered door for quick access and also to keep out most any bugs that might try to get in or out. There's a fabric on the outside, but inside here, the interior of the room is actually a rubber material, non-porous, so that you can actually clean it and disinfect it with any household cleaner. There's also a seal that's created because the way that the material goes into the frame is a silicone gasket edge that will go into the frame and create a seal basically, so that you can have a nice tight fit with these pieces of fabric, but it's lightweight and it's easy to assemble. The frames themselves are open and hollow, can be assembled without any tools, and have perforations in it so that you can allow for electrical wiring to go through the walls and not on the floor, creating a tripping hazard. We can also add wood infill to the walls so it allows you to mount equipment, monitors, other medical equipment, right onto the walls. You would seal it with silicone adhesive and basically have an operational room like any other hospital room, but it's modular and transportable. The room itself would be mounted or assembled on top of a vinyl floor. And the reason for that is, one, so that you have a cleanable surface if you're setting up in a ballroom or a gymnasium or a convention center where you have concrete, but also the vinyl floor can have a double-face tape, carpet tape, that will go around the perimeter where the wall gets set up, and it creates a seal so that you can have basically a secure, isolated room to keep out any virus or to keep a patient free from any kind of infectious diseases from the outside. The ceiling is made of a translucent vinyl material, and that's important so that you don't have to worry about attaching lights onto the structure. You can use whatever ambient light in the room that you're in to come down into your emergency isolation room. So if this is set up in convention centers, gymnasiums, community centers, hotel ballrooms, you would just use the ambient light from that location and let it shine down into the room. We are in unprecedented times, and we all need to chip in and find solutions. And in my industry, I think I may have a solution that will at least help the hospitals with their potential overflow. And if you local, state, and county officials agree with me, let me know. I'm happy to talk to you about it and see if we can put our heads together and work this out. I really hope that anyone else out there who sees this will spread the word. There are other exhibit houses like me who have this type of material and these types of solutions, and maybe they can help their communities as well. So with that, thanks for listening. Be well and be safe.